I think a lot of the fear around painting landscapes comes from the idea that we need to create a perfect representation of nature. But that's just not true. Art is all about interpretation, and it's okay if your mountains aren't perfectly symmetrical or your trees aren't exactly realistic. In fact, it's those imperfections that can make a painting truly special. Rather than focusing on creating a perfect landscape, try to focus on capturing the feeling or mood you want to convey. Do you want your painting to be peaceful and calming, or energetic and playful? What kind of emotions do you want to evoke in the person viewing your artwork? Okay, let's get started on our painting. To create depth in our snowy mountains, we're going to start with a basic wash of blue and gray. This will give us a sense of atmosphere and help our mountains feel more three-dimensional. Next, we'll add some darker shades of gray and blue to create some contrast and texture. Remember, the key is to keep it loose and expressive. Don't worry too much about getting everything perfect. Now that we have our basic mountain shape, let's add some happy little trees.